Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix the crack of the pad when braking. First of all, we need to disassemble the brake pads. There are two fingers here. We knock out them and disassemble the pads. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Now guys, we need a screwdriver to squeeze the caliper pistons and terribly release the pads. Friends, apply the heat resistance grease to the back of the brake pads, and after that the creak will disappear. That's all guys, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.